Hi guys, so today we'll do part 2 of exercise 2.3. So let's get started. So now we'll do the third question. As first and second we have done in the previous video, the link will be in the description box for the first and second question solutions. Now let's start with the third question. In this it says obtain all other zeros of 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Two of its zeros are root 5 upon root 3 and minus root 5 upon root 3. Now as you all know, the degree of x, highest degree of x, is equal to the number of zeros. As the tip, or you can say a trick given in my first video of the polynomials chapter, you can see it. This link is also available in the description box. So let's start. So from this we can say that it has 4 zeros and 2 of us are given, so we need to find the other 2. So now let's think how we'll do it. So now we'll name this polynomial as px. Now they have given that one of the zero is root 5 whole root 5 upon 3 and other is minus root 5 upon 3. Okay, so we can write it in this way also: x minus root 5 by 3 and the other factor, this is one of the factor, and the other factor, by taking this as a 0, it will be x plus root 5 by 3. Okay, so these are the two factors of it. We can write it in the multiplication pairs. Okay, so we need to find more 2 pairs as it has 4 zeros. Okay, so 4 such zeros we have 2. We'll solve this first. It gives us, it is an identity, a minus b, a plus b, as you can see. So the formula will be a square minus b square. Here a is x square, so we'll do x square minus root 5 upon 3 a square. Okay, so it will give us x square minus 5 upon 3. We'll keep it as this only, and the identity used is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. You can see it is the same. Okay, so now you can see that the question has become simpler. We will name this as gx, and as you know, px divided by gx will do to find other factors. As these are the factors, we will divide it and the remainder will be equal to 0, as this is a factor, as we have done in the previous video. So we'll just simply divide it. X square minus 5 upon 3, and we'll write the polynomial. It is 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now let's start the division. Now it is written x square. What do we need for 3x4? You know, 3x square. So we'll just multiply it, and what we got? 3x4. We'll change the sign and it is 0. Now we'll multiply this. Okay, and this will give us x square term and not the x cube term. So as you know, we'll write 0x cube. Okay, and now we'll multiply this, and you can see we'll do somewhat of rough work here, as sometimes children get confused. So we'll do it. See, minus 5 upon 3 into 3x square, and you can see we can cancel the 3 and 3, so we'll get minus 5x. So we'll write it here, minus 5x square. So we'll change the sign. Positive ones will negative and negative will give positive. So 6 minus 0 will be again 6 plus 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5x square. The sign will be of the bigger number, that is plus, and minus plus is minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3x square. We'll take this both the terms down. It will be minus 10x and minus 5. Now we need 6x cube. Okay. So what will multiply with the x square? Plus, because it is in the positive, 6, and what is remaining? X. 6x into x square will give us 6x cube. Now we'll again do it here. Minus 5 upon 3 into 6x square, and you can see 3 and 6 gets cancelled, so it is 2. So we'll get minus 10x square. And now we'll write it, sorry, not x square, it is just x, so x, and here also it will be x minus 10x, and x square term is again remaining. So we'll write plus 0x square, and you can see minus 10x, and now we'll change the signs. Minus plus will become again minus, and minus will become plus, and plus minus now it gets cancelled. 3 minus 0 will get 3x square, minus 10x and plus 10x will get cancelled, and minus 5. As you know that it is a factor, so we are going to get the remainder as 0. If we are not getting, then it is incorrect. We need to understand this in exam also. So now what will multiply with x square? Will multiply 3 plus 3. So it will give us 3x square, and we'll do again a small rough work. Minus 5 into 3 into 3. Okay, and it gets cancelled, and the answer is minus 5. Okay, so we'll write it here minus 5. We'll change the signs, and as you can see, we can cancel this both and we'll get 0. So means we have done the correct form of division. Now what we can do? We can write it like this: 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Basically we are writing this polynomial equal to, it's all the factors, because multiplication of all the 4 factors, it will give us 4 factors, right? Because it has 4 zeros, so it will give us 4 factors. So we can write the multiplication of all the 4 factors, and we will get this again. So we'll write it like this: x square minus 5 upon 3, one of the factor, and the other one is, actually we are writing what? Px equal to gx into quotient plus remainder, but here as we know that remainder is equal to 0, and gx is this and qx is this. It is 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Now as you know, we can write it as a plus b, a minus b, but we will not write it now as it will take a lot of space. We'll keep it, and also our writing time will get waste, so we'll write it like this only. And this is a quadratic equation, and you all know how to find the zeros of a quadratic equation. Okay, so we'll do that. 3 into 3, 9, by breaking the term. Okay, so the first which are coming in the mind is 3 into 3, which will give us 6. So 3x square. We'll solve it and find the factors of this equation. Okay, 3 plus 3x plus 3. No need to take common 3, as no need, because we need zeros, or we can say factors. So there's no need to take 3 common. Now 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. Okay, so now we can write it as x square minus 5 upon 3, and we'll take 3x common, and it will give us x plus 3, and we'll take 3 common from the next term and it will again give us x plus 3. Okay, x square minus 5 upon 3. Here we'll take x plus 3 as common, so x plus 3 will become our one factor and other will be 3x plus 3. Okay, so and we can write this in two terms. Okay, that is x minus root of 5 upon 3 and x plus root of 5 upon 3. A minus b, a plus b we have used in the first step only, and the next factors are x plus 3 and 3x plus 3. So these are the four terms and they have said to find zeros. So x equal to root 5 upon 3, other is x equal to minus root 5 upon 3, next is x equal to minus 3. Okay, and the other is x equal to minus 1. How? 3x plus 3 equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 3 and x will be equal to minus 1. This is the step we need to keep each factor equal to 0 and we'll get the answer. So these are the 4 zeros of that polynomial. So now we'll do question number 4. Let's read it. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, means this is px, as we all know. The quotient and remainder will be respectively. That is, this is remainder. Okay. And this is quotient. So on dividing, this is px, this is qx and this is rx. Now we need to find the gx. So how we'll do this? Let's see. Now as you can see, this is the given data. They have given us px, qx and rx. Just we need to find gx. Okay. So how we'll do this? You can recall dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and we'll use this only. Dividend here is px. Okay, divisor is always gx into qx plus rx, and just we need to put all these polynomials in their places and we'll get the answer. It is just simple. Okay, so we'll put the px, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Now gx we don't have, so we'll write it as gx only, into qx. Qx is x minus 2 and rx is plus minus 2x plus 4. Now it is in plus here. We'll take it this side and it will become negative. So x cube minus 3x plus x plus 2 minus of minus 2x plus 4. As it was, the complete bracket was positive here, so we did it negative here. Equal to, it will remain gx into x minus 2. Okay. So we can solve it as x cube minus 3x plus x plus 2, minus minus will become plus 2x and minus 4 equal to gx into x minus 2. Okay, and we'll write it as x cube minus 3x. Okay, wait, it is x square. Okay, it is x square here. So x square and x square. I'm just sorry. So minus 3x square, x plus 2x, it will give plus 3x, plus 2 minus 4 will give us minus 2 into gx, and we'll take this down as it is here in multiplication. We'll do this here in division, x minus 2, and now we just need to perform the division which we have learned. Okay, so we'll perform that division, and it is x minus 2 which is divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 3x and minus 2. Now as you can see here, it is x cube. We need to multiply x square with the x to give us x cube. Okay. Now minus 2x square. When we'll multiply this minus 2 with the x square, we'll get minus 2x square, and we'll write it below the x square term, and it is here only. No need to write this time 0 as it is here only. Okay, and now we'll change the sign. Here we'll get minus, here we'll get plus, as it was already a negative sign. So this both will get cancelled out, and minus 3x plus 2x square will give us x square. We'll take both the terms down, that is plus 3x and minus 2. Now what we have to multiply? Okay, sorry, here it is minus 3x, so it will be minus x square. Okay, so we need to multiply here minus x, as x into x will give us x square, but we need minus x square, so we'll multiply it with minus sign also. So it will be minus x square. Minus 2 into minus x will give us 2x plus 2x, and here nothing. So now we'll change the signs. Plus will become negative, and we'll cancel this, and plus 3x minus 2x will give us x, and this will give us minus 2. Now for what value we'll get x? 1 plus 1. Okay, so now we'll get x, and minus 2 into 1 will again give us minus 2, and we'll change the sign, that is minus, and this will become plus, and both will get cancelled, and it is 0. So we can see that gx is this. Okay, quotient will be the rgx, because rx is 0. So we get gx equal to x square minus x plus 1, and we'll get gx, and this is the correct answer. Now question number 5, it says that we need to just write the polynomials, okay, whose degree of px is equal to degree of qx. And that is just simple. We can see that here gx is 1 and rx is 0. So gx is 1, then we can write any polynomial here, and will get the qx, as both will be the same, because anything multiplied by 1 is same. 1 into 2 will give us 2 only. So similarly here, if we write x square minus 2 and gx is 1 only, will divide it by 1, again will get x square minus 2. So the question number 5 is very simple, so I am leaving it to you. So today only this much, exercise 2.3, and with this our chapter polynomials is over. If you have any kind of doubt or you want any kind of extra questions, you can just comment it below. Thank you, and like, share and subscribe it, and also share it with your friends and help them. Thank you.